Hey, well, hello everyone out there in YouTube land. I hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a fabulous day. Yeah, I just wanted to pop in really quick. But before I start, if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever videos go up. I have no schedule, so, it's just when we come out here. But anyway, you'll be notified. Go ahead and like our videos, comment. We don't mind, and we don't mind you sharing our videos either. So, excuse me. Sorry about that. So yeah, I was just sitting here thinking. Well, I was thinking earlier. Now I decided to make the video, but I was thinking there's a lot of tours, a lot of fall videos going up, and I'd be interested in seeing if even if it's a fall decor video, I'd be interested in seeing something besides pumpkins. Is this a pumpkin? Yes, it's a pumpkin in my video, but that pumpkin, because it's pretty, it's not because of the autumn season. It's pretty, and it's going to be there all year round because I like it. But I'd be interested in seeing how you prepare for the autumn seasons. Do you put away any soups? Do you preserve any foods? Do you make sweaters? Do you purchase new sweaters and different things? I'd be interested in seeing those types of things also. But what I wanted to say is I'd be interested in seeing something other than pumpkins in our tours and things of that nature. Everybody has like a pumpkin in their tour or in their video, but there's more to autumn than pumpkins. A lot more than a lot more to autumn than pumpkins. So I'd be interested in seeing a video that maybe might not have a pumpkin in it, or maybe just one. But nonetheless, that's what I had to say. So please don't be offended. It's not about offense. It's just a challenge for us to go further beyond where we have been. That's all. So like I said, I'd be interested in seeing videos that may not have any pumpkins in it at all. All right? Or maybe even not even the color orange as well. No, but anyway, do your thing. Do your thing. Love you very much. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, sharing, and commenting on this video. Love you. Bye-bye for now.